Alright guys, I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial on something about that happened recently to me. Basically, I was using Premiere Pro, and you have this area right here, and you have all your clips ready to go, right? And you click on a clip, like you already brought it, and then you do that. It'll work in some cases, right? But then, like if you take this one, it only allows you to get the video or the audio, not the video section of it. So you're like, bruh, what's going on? Then you just not do that. Then you want to go on the video that's not working. Uh, right click it, and then you want to do new sequence from clip. So you do that, and then it's gonna make a new sequence. So you're gonna click, drag to the thing that was right here, and now you have a full click again. It's so you have that, and I think it's pretty cool. So if you have that, if you want to close the old one, just click on the little X right there. And I hope that helped. It was driving me crazy for like the longest. So hopefully you guys learned something from that, and appreciate it, guys. And you guys have a good day. Bye bye.